card, my bad.
I thought these.
Yes. We here. About to be walking in, y'all. Peace out.
Right, kids.
Pre-book tour. What? Yeah, I think I might try that. Alrighty, no problem. Alright, y'all. Yep.
Your waiter, one per person there, 4 per person back. You guys pay that to the driver separately. Okay, gotcha.
Whoop, eating out. We got that. All inclusive. Limited drinks. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Gotta head out. I need practice though. Alright, y'all, we almost there. About to be pulling up in a minute. Alright, y'all, we are here. This is the little spot. All you can drink, all you could drink. Oh, you're like, what a drink, huh?
Let's go, Jay. Your birthday. It's your birthday.
Let's go, let's go.
Was it strong?
I don't like that lamb. That lamb definitely like.
It helped?
I basically didn't feel it. That's crazy. If tequila that smooth. I'm telling you. Oh, there's water. Cause that went down so smooth. No thanks. That went down so smooth. Your turn. You ready?
No.
Yeah, hit the lime, man. Ready? Go ahead. Big shot, big shot. Oh, hit the lime, I tell you. Was it like water? Was it smooth going down? If that's tequila, that's the smoothest tequila I ever had.
I don't know.
That was a tequila shot. If that's tequila, that's smooth as ever.
Y'all had a tequila shot?
Yeah, but I didn't drink.
It tastes like water. I don't want to taste nothing. I don't feel it going down there.
You want to face?
No thanks.
Happy birthday.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know if it's that smooth or what. It was tequila. It didn't. I ain't feel nothing.
It was.
Unlike some Don Julio, that must burn your chest up.
I'm not a shot person, but this wasn't.
They got y'all there because ours was strong. Mine was strong. I just like.
I'm about to get one more. See if it's gonna be stronger the next time. Actually in the city. Yep, we right there.
Uptown area.
That was downtown. Like grew up downtown.
You were downtown, you were uptown?
That's where I grew up at, yeah, downtown.
You stay home for Jazz Fest?
Oh
To be
no.
honest, I ain't never been to Jazz Fest.
Yeah.
For real?
I've been when I was younger, but I don't taste the vodka, and y'all just supposed to be the crazy monkey. Crazy monkey, something like that. Banana, vodka, cocoa. As I get low to the bottom, I do feel the vodka. How yours tasting?
It's alright. They got banana in it. Y'all know I'm not a big banana fan.
Oh. Well, you can ask them about something that don't got banana in it.
It's alright.
Yep.
Y'all, I just want y'all to know that Jay got me out here. Y'all know I don't wind up places. I don't wind up. The man done sold us something and drove in the taxi to here. It is a really nice place, so it's nice, you know. And it's unlimited drinks, you know. The guy, he was nice. It's $4 per person for a taxi. Per person, that's per person, PP. Okay, per person. Before you just said it's $4, you know, it's $4. You didn't say per person. But it is nice. I'm about to put my bag down right here in a minute and go hop in the water. You ready?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now that is tequila. Oh, vodka, I definitely feel it.
You ready? Another one?
Woo. This is something good right there.
How about you take 31 shots for 31?
Oh no.
You think?
That was Powerful, yep.
You want more drinks? Or you good for now? Thank you.
I'm good for now.
That was strong that time?
Yeah, them two was nice. That last one was stronger. Yeah, I started to feel that. Yep, thanks. Yeah,
They really be on the beach hustling for real. Can't knock the hustle.
Ain't even spoke. What's going on there? How many that is? That's number.
It's number 3.
It's number 4.
Don't got it. Woo! How old is he? 8 years. Woo. Pretty big, huh? No, baby. The biggest iguana I ever had was like about that big. Made him stick and fried it under the heat lamp. That's crazy. Oh, there we go. How it's feeling? Is he heavy?
Yeah.
Woo!
Can I touch it?
What's up? Oh man, he got his hat on. Corona.
Oh, it's a different hat.
Corona hat right there.
Send that to my phone.
The video?
Get him out, get him out, get him out, get him out.
Dang, Lil had too many drinks, bro. Lord, what's up, bro? I can't believe that, Lil. I remember really feeling mine. But I'm feeling good though. Yeah, baby, it's
You
vacation.
had more drinks than me, but this thing's strong.
That's the most shots I ever had. And it's really like I ain't even feeling.
That's strong. I don't know if yours strong, but mine's strong. That's strong?
What's wrong?
Yeah.
This right here, what it is? Long Island?
What's my drink?
Long Island, it's strong. Yeah, I got you. It's strong.
It's not really cold, y'all. It's warm. We actually got in the cab. Well, we walked through the port and got in the cab, and we paid $35 for like the drink. Got in the cab, and cab brought us here. That's how I go.
What's up, y'all? Let me put my own goggles on because I got to go back in the water. Why you messing with me, Leah? Leah messing with me because I've been drinking, but you know. That's alright because I'm about to be going back in the water anyway. You feel me? I'm feeling the tequilas, you know, the shots. They've been feeling like water, but I don't know. It's like over time, you start to feel them. And guess what? When you start to feel them, you start to have a whole lot of fun. You know that? So guess what, y'all? This is what it's about to be. You about to turn up, and I'm going to the birthday dinner right after this. Ain't that right, Leah?
Yes, babe.
What we having at the birthday dinner?
I think it's a steakhouse, so we have a steakhouse.
It's on, what's the name of the steakhouse? It's called
Scarlett's, I think.
Scarlett's, yeah. Scarlett's is the name of the steakhouse, y'all. So when we leave Costa Maya right now, I'm glad we found this all-inclusive, just drinks, open bar. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. What time it is?
It's like 4 o'clock.
I might just try the chicken fajitas. The fajitas, they're pretty cool. Because I have been drinking, so I would like to try something to eat. Ernest over there. Ernest over there feeling himself. Yeah, look at them eyes. They are red. He got that corona.
That means it's a happy birthday.
Yes, sir. You already know how we feeling. I gotta get me some chicken fajita in the system, you know? Yes, sir.
Costa Maya for your mama's birthday. I mean, Carnival for your mama's birthday, but we're gonna be there tomorrow.
Oh, so we gonna be on the boat? But guess what? They have a nightclub on the boat, y'all. Carnival. So we can still party out. You don't want to be in the camera no more, babe? Yep. They still gonna have on, you know, a nightclub on the boat in the Carnival, so I'm still gonna be feeling good. And yes. Huh? What boots? Oh yeah, show the people. I don't know if y'all saw the boots, but they like shot glasses, right?
Yeah, it's a shot glass.
Yep, look at that. Hey, you already know we from New Orleans. That's Uncle John right there. Grandpa John. You know, we the Saints, New Orleans, baby. Look at that, they hand burned it in there. Yeah, sir, look at that. Don't that look like real snake skin? Not snake skin, but alligator.
It is leather, real leather.
It feel like alligator, but I think they just... Oh yeah, it's real leather for sure. But I think they, you know... I don't know. It look like real alligator, but it don't feel as thick as real alligator. But guess what? It look nice, and it only costed $36. But it really was $30, and it only costed $6 to burn the names in. No, thank you, sir. Appreciate the hint of tattoo. But I am a tattoo artist, and I stick with permanent. You feel that? What you talking
Oh,
about?
they got black shit in my drink. I can't drink.
That Blue Jay fly past a little drink and find it in it.
Look, he was like, this is totally, like right there was like, he was like, this is totally normal. And swim with a coconut, swimming with a coconut. This is totally normal.
With a coconut?
I was like, yep, that's normal, baby. That's
normal. I'm saying though, you know, we not from out here, so we don't know what's normal. People flying with on what they got, iguanas. You never know. Everybody eat some chicken fajitas, y'all.
chicken tacos.
Oh yeah, she didn't put me down with chicken fajita, but chicken tacos. So, yep, everybody be snagging up, baby. How you feeling, man?
I'm in my room now. Like, I looked at my card. I'm like, he's got my phone.
I'm on.
He's got my other.
We feeling good, and guess what? Out here in Costa Rica. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice scenery. Yes, sir. I'm feeling good. Guess what? I'm feeling good. Got the tacos. We feeling good, you know, Fernanda. I'm giving her a tip because first I thought she was trying to get over on me, but guess what? She lucked out. So I'm giving her a tip, most definitely. And I'm feeling good. Today's the birthday on trip in Costa Maya. And this is the spot that we found out. I don't know how. Oh yeah, the lady was walking back and we asked him about it. But yes, it was a good spot. All inclusive. Well, no, not all inclusive, but it's open bar. I don't know. I don't even know the name of the spot. With the drink, it tastes like water, tequila, and they got me feeling good. 30 minutes. 30 minutes, yeah. Like you said, they say 7:30, but I ain't trying to leave at 7:30.
No, you gotta be back.
Back at least 30 minutes early.
I'm about an hour.
Yeah, at least an hour early. I'm like, I ain't trying to be having a boat leaving. You see that other boat? It look like it's not moving at all, but it's moving.
I got old living in Pinky.
I'll give you credit.
Pop a bottle open with a bottle, huh? How you doing? He's a master at work.
I don't like dogs.
I know, you let him walk. Look at him. He's not poor as fuck. He's pretty skinny. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah.
Come on, Justin, get in there.
Woo, 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 woo. Let's go. Let's go.
I don't know if I can get them all.
Oh.
You need this. It's your birthday.
Birthday to you. Working, not at work. I understand. I understand.
She
Yep.
is borracha.
Oh, she's there?
Borracha.
I'm gonna kill mine. Woo!
It's your birthday, congratulations.
Thank you for that.
How old?
It's been good. It's been good. Oh, 31.
31? Karen.
Yep, I'd have passed the 32. Gotta be a good time. Gotta be a good time. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. We heading back to the port, y'all. Heading back to the port, so we good. We out here in Mexico.
I think so.
Out here in Mexico, we heading back. Heading back, baby.
Watch out, they will run you
Let's
over.
go.
You do a speed bump around here.
I just put it back in my bag, babe. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. Woo!
Where you from here? Please make sure you got it.
For this two biryani, Mr. Samuel. Yes, sir. Let's go. Woohoo! All right, y'all, on our way out, back to the boat. Back on the boat. What? Back on the boat, baby. Woo! We lit. Every day we lit. Every day we lit. What? Do the right thing, all right, Ernest? Do the right thing. All right, y'all, we done got changed and made it to the dinner. All right, y'all, what is this? Mini burger. What is this? I can't get jiggy with this, man. Put it.
This burger is so small.
Yeah, it's a little taste. How it tastes, man? You know I'm supposed to be eating bread.
It's a baby.
man, this is the best spot.
That's a hefty piece of cheesecake.
It is a big piece.
Lord, this thing is.
All right, y'all. We all out. Headed back to the room.
Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And we out.